In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply to a specific message in Slack. Let's get started by opening Slack on your desktop or in your browser. First, go to the channel where you originally saw the message you want to respond to. Taking a quick look at the conversation in its original context helps you stay accurate and clear, especially if there were multiple topics being discussed. If it's helpful, note a key phrase or detail from that message so you can reference it in your reply. Next, look over to the left sidebar and find the Direct Messages section. This is where your private one-on-one and small group conversations live. If you don't immediately see it, scroll the sidebar or hover to reveal the section and expand it. Keeping your sidebar organized can make this faster. You can also collapse or reorder sections in Slack's sidebar settings to match your workflow. Now, click the person you want to message or reply to. This opens your direct message thread with them. If the list is long, use the quick switcher. Press Command+K on Mac or Control+K on Windows. Start typing their name and hit Enter to jump straight into that DM. Verifying you've selected the correct person prevents misdirected messages, which is especially important in busy workspaces. With the conversation open, type your message in the composer at the bottom. For clarity, reference the specific message you're responding to. You can briefly quote a few words or summarize the point you're addressing. For example, following up on your note about timelines. Then share your response. Use formatting to make the text easier to read. Shift+Enter creates a new line, and the formatting toolbar lets you add bold, italics, code, or lists when needed. You can also attach files, add emojis for tone, or insert links to relevant documents. Keep your message concise but complete, and consider the recipient's time zone and availability when phrasing requests or deadlines. When you're ready, click Send in the composer. You can also press Enter to send, unless you've changed your preferences to require a keyboard shortcut. After sending, glance at the message status to confirm it posted. If you notice anything that could be clearer, you can edit your message right away to fix typos or add missing context. That's it. You opened the original channel to confirm the context, found direct messages in the sidebar, selected the right person, typed a clear, well-referenced reply, and sent it. With these steps, you'll keep your Slack conversations organized, precise, and easy for others to follow.